Welcome back once again. This is Shatterflow TV around here, where we talk about many stuff. My people, blessed love, give thanks. I send you blessings and love as always. So we're gonna talk about this right about now. We're gonna talk about the popularity percentage of people, positive opinion and activities. We're gonna see which activity come first, and the percentage that all people put out their effort so we can get this percentage. So what is the most popular activities that happen on a regular basis? Number one, music. Yes, listening to music is the number one activity that most people do. Rounds off around 85%. And you know that music is very powerful. Number two, people using the internet. The internet is 83% mark that, people, whether searching, whether researching, whatever. But the internet comes in as number two. 83% vote on that one. Okay? Now, number three, spending time with family. Yes, this is very important and vital. Each and every one of us know that spending time with our family is a very great value that we have to appreciate at all the times, because family come first. Okay? Togetherness, oneness, peace and love. Yes. And spending time with family rounds off 83%. Number four, TV. Wow, TV is very powerful. It runs off at 83% also, whether you're watching movie, news, cartoon, you name it, it's there. It's been around a very long time. It's something that we all watch, from day one, from black and white back to this time. So yes, that runs off right there at 83%. Number five, going to the restaurant or cafe. We call it bar. So we can have a drink and stuff like that. And that culture been around a very, very long time. So you don't know that's a part of our hobby in Jamaica. What we do, chill and build our vibes as always. So bar and restaurant runs off at 82%. Number six, chilling with friends. Yes, a lot of us, like to chill with our friends and all the positive vibes and, just the regular norm. Yes, chilling with friends runs off at 80%. There you go, 80%. Number seven, traveling. Yes, traveling all over the world, taking time off, having fun, experience new things is a very great thing to do as always. Traveling runs off at 80%. Number eight, walking. Yes, taking a walk wherever you want to take a walk. Yes, good for your body. Keep it healthy, keep it moving, and that runs off at 79%. So that's what I want to talk about today, the activity of how the step down and the popularity of how everything goes. So please have a blessed and a wonderful day. This is Shatterflow TV, where we talk about many stuff around here. Have a wonderful day as always. Bless.